Hello everyone, welcome again to another guest internet video. The purpose of the video today is to tell you about a very special kit that we manufacture for businesses that have to provide Wi-Fi internet for the public. This is the Guest 2 kit, and this is designed especially for businesses such as motels, hotels, resorts, any business that has to provide Wi-Fi internet to the public. Now, the great benefit of the guest internet kits is the cost is much less than buying all the parts separately. For example, there's another video about the Guest 1 kit, which has 4 wireless access points, the controller, and an Ethernet switch. This particular kit, the Guest 2 kit, has 8 of these wireless access points. These are ceiling mounted, and they're connected via Ethernet cable. The kit also includes the Guest Internet GISR4 controller. This controller provides the login page. You can generate vouchers, access codes. You control the access to the internet service. You determine who can access. You also set data speeds. You set data limits. And if you wish, you can put advertising on the login page. Now, this Guest Internet controller connects to your internet service. It might be a DSL, it might be a Starlink antenna, it might be fiber. And we connect the PoE Switch, which is this item, to the Guest Internet controller. And this has 8 Ethernet ports for 8 wireless access points. Now, the purpose of a PoE switch is to be able to not only connect up to 8 wireless access points, but also power the wireless access points over the Ethernet cable. Now, you can see that you're getting a lot of products. You get the controller, you get the power over Ethernet switch, and you get 8 wireless access points, all for a cost which is less than buying these products separately. Okay, Guest Internet can do this because we have bulk deals so that we can have large volumes of these products to keep the cost down. And if you want to find more information, we provide the data sheets. You can download them from the Guest Internet website. The data sheet provides a diagram showing how everything is connected. And if you want more information, you can contact us via email, and we'll be very happy to assist you and advise you. Even if you have a building and you're not sure exactly how to provide the internet, we can help you specify what you need to provide a great service. So thank you for watching. Look out for our next Guest Internet video.